So the last couple of problems is a combination of a whole bunch of different forms to see what's going on. So the directions would be to simplify. This is distributive property throughout. So you're going to distribute this all the way over. 3r times r squared is 3r cubed. 3r times negative 2r is negative 6r squared. And 3r times 4 is positive 12r. This looks kind of like an exponent problem where I do sign, number, letter. Negative times a negative is a negative. 4 times 5 is 20. There's 3 here. There's 1 here. C to the 4th. There's 1 here and 1 here. D squared. Combine like or simplify. This is combine like terms, but they're not alike. This is simplifies. Your answer would be 2k squared plus k. Here, across multiplication, it's sign, number, letter. Sign, number, letter. I'm going to pause it so I can figure out what my puppy's growling at. Positive times a positive is a positive. 2 times 1 is 2. 2k's here. A k here is k cubed. Here is 3x minus 2 times x minus 5. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. Negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. Placeholder 0. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. X times 3x is 3x squared. Final answer is 3x squared minus 17x plus 10. This is 2x. Oh, I'm going to bring here positive 2x minus 1. And I'm going to multiply. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 3x is x is positive 3x. Negative 1 times positive 2x squared is negative 2x squared. Placeholder 0. Positive 2x. This times this is negative 6x squared. Here times here is 4x cubed. Negative 1. Positive 5x. Negative 8x squared, and 4x cubed. You will have an assignment to multiply polynomials. Be on the lookout for patterns that arise, because after multiplying we are going to be dividing or factoring. Dividing and factoring is called the same thing.